Hi everyone, April here from Piano Lessons Info. So today I thought I'd give you some inspiration around transitioning between chords and some little tips on what you need to work on if this is an area that you want to get better at in terms of playing chords. So when I'm talking about transitioning between chords, I'm talking about moving. So say from a G chord, which I just played, to E minor, for example. Okay, it was when people first start, they start learning in root position. So if we play that same chord progression, which I think was G, E minor, C, D, something like that. But so we learn in root position, and then we've got to start moving out. And what I mean by moving out is you might start here, but you can play the chord here, or here, or here, or there. So there's lots of room to play chords. That's kind of why it's fun, is because you don't have to stay in root position. You can play them anywhere. But crossing the bridge from root position to other spots takes a little bit of practice and time and well, basically those two things, because you need to get used to playing the chords in other spots and you need to get used to the notes of that chord. So both of those things. So if you want to make your transitions smoother, faster, better, is this point now it really becomes about inversion. So if you're not sure what a chord inversion is, it's this playing in different spots that I've just said. So we move the note from the bottom to the top, play it like that, or move that one to the top, play it like that. So these are standard things that you can learn to do. Or you can just practice playing them in different spots. So inversions, playing the chord in a different standard position is something very useful, because when I was playing the G chord, which I started, which is technically second inversion, it doesn't really matter the name, it's just getting used to playing them in the other spots. And then I wanted to play E minor 7. I could just easily and quickly play it here by adding that note, because I know the notes of E minor 7, E, G, B, D, and I was playing most of those, right? G, B, D. So I just needed to add E. So it makes it very fast, very easy to just add that one note in. It's kind of a seamless way of playing. So that's what we want. Now, if I was going to move to C, I don't need a B for the C chord, and I don't need a D, but I'm on the other two. But when I move from C to D, they have no notes in common at all. But I still want to find what's close by, so I could just go like that. Back to G. So what I try to do is use, the same notes that I'm already on, or notes that are close by, and that is what's really helpful in getting to those next chords easily and simply. So what you want to do really is know your inversions, know the notes of the chords that you are playing, and if you don't have the free ultimate chord cheat sheet, you can get that for free. It's a link in the description below. And so that will help you to learn all sorts of chords and practice moving around, know the notes of the chords so you really know you've got the right ones. And the other thing you do want to do, so all of this is going to help you with melody as well, because you want the melody always to ring out on top. And so to do that, you do need to be able to play your chords in these inversions or different spots below the melody so that you can play it. So I just made that up. It's just bringing out bringing out the melody from the top so that you can hear it above everything else. All right, so those are the basics of what you need to do. You need to make sure you know the notes of the chord. You need to make sure you can play them in different spots, and then you need to go and practice doing that. If you want more help with this, I do have a mini course called Transition Tricks for Piano Chords. It's 4 or 5 lessons long, and you can always come and take that to work on this further. It's in the Piano Chords Club, and that is also linked in the description below. So if you have any questions about this, let me know. I'll also link an inversions video that I've got, so that will help you with that. All right, so lots in the description today. Okay, and I will see you next time. Feel free to let me know if you have questions, because I base nearly every video off of a question I get. Okay, see you later. Bye.